Hey guys, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about Quora. So how you can monetize your answers on Quora. So a few months back, or if I say about talk about 2021, so there was no such option where we could monetize our content like answers. We could only monetize our questions on Quora, but since Quora has changed its policy, so now we can monetize our answers too. So if we are writing in a great manner, so we are setting up some subscribing amount in our say account, so we can get lot of subscriber, and especially when our content is good and you are writing in a nice manner, you have good number of followers and people will be waiting for your content when you will write the answer. And suppose if I have written around 1,000 answers on Quora, so if people are liking my content, so obviously they will be looking forward to get my another live experiences or whatever topic I used to touch upon. So yeah, firstly you need to set some kind of signature answers on Quora. So you need to follow a great flow that people will be following or they will be liking your content. And if you will start doing this, then you can really do great on Quora. So here I want to let you know something, that how can you monetize your answer. So once you write your answer, don't start monetize your answer then and there. You can wait for some time. Once it get good number of upvotes, good number of views, then you can start monetizing your answer. Because suppose if I am looking at your answer with say 300 or 400k views on it, so obviously, and with say 1k or maybe 2k likes on it or upvotes on it, so I will be thinking like what's something in this answer that it is getting lot of upvotes, and with like this I need to pay something for this answer and this is getting something. So if there is an option to pay for an answer and then I can only read this, so and also if that answer has got around 2,000 or 3,000 views, so I can't get to know that these awards is before that answer has been monetized or after that. So it will be, for me it's like this answer is being monetized, and whoever has viewed that answer, so they have paid some amount to the subscriber, to the writer. So that subscriber has paid some amount to the writer or author. So let me take you to one of my answer. So this is one of my answer that has got around 30k. You can see 30k votes with 94 share, 89 comments. So what I'll do, I'll touch upon these option, I'll do monetize. So far it was free, so anyone could access this answer, anyone could read this answer. Now I have monetized this answer, I have saved this. So now you can see updated 2 years साइड से ये आपको मोनेटाइजेशन का सिंबल दिख रहा है ग्रीन, दैट इज डॉलर बना हुआ है. So now once people will be subscribing to my channel, once they will be paying a small amount, so I have set very small amount, say $1 or half a dollar. So once they will be paying that amount to my account for my profile for my channel, and they will become my monthly subscriber, then only they can access this answer. Or also they can access this answer with say $0.05 or something like that, because I have also set some amount for a single answer. So based on that you can also do this. So it's a great way, really great way. So firstly you need to write an answer in a great manner. Then once it gets like good number of say views, 10k or 20k, with good number of upvotes, say 500 or 1,000 upvotes, then you can start monetizing your answer. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll be coming soon with my next video. We'll be talking about some other set of topics. So if you have any doubt, let me know, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know that too. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So bye bye. We'll be coming soon with other set of videos. Bye.